Sundin nyo lang yung registration
earnings guys.
dito sa app na to. Ayan guys yung pwede natin kitain up to
Price to
800 pesos Gcash Tiber po, no? Kung gusto nyo PayPal, $1,100 siya.
Install lang natin.
So i-click natin.
So yan, nakapag-install na tayo. Open lang natin. Agree and continue. So mayroon lang siyang 6 seconds. Skip na natin. So ayan. Click natin tong i-connect natin sa ating Google account. Yung parang pusa. Pindutin. So na-connect na natin sa ating Google account. So ayan. Nakasave na siya. So meron agad tayo 30 coins. So mag-check-in tayo para may makuha pa tayo na coins. So yan, nakakuha tayo ng 30 coins. Okay. Meron din dito, buksan mo yan na barang box sa Spain shop. Ayan, pwede nga maglaro na sigsag supan. Hammer dyan, ano lang ng hammer. So, tignan natin tong hammer. Yan. So, pupukpukin lang natin yan. Kailangan, paano ba ang pagpukpok nito? Kailangan simulang pukpok para makadami ka ng Sige lang ang tira, kawawa naman si Manang. Yan, sige lang. Hanggang sa mapuno mo yung dapat pala nito may auto tapper tayo. Mag-click kayo guys ng auto tapper o auto clicker. So nakamagkano na tayo. So mau-open natin yung box na nasa taas na may number 1. Sige lang.
Does earning money while playing games sound like a dream to you? I know, but let me show you that this really works. All you have to do is spin this wheel and collect coins. With the coins, you can redeem real money like this. For 4,000 coins, you will get a $2.50 PayPal voucher. I know it's not much, but every little bit helps, right? And all you have to do is tap a button. And the best thing is, you get coins for every spin. There are no blanks. So give it a shot and download Spin for Cash now.